Our first information report, FIR, has been filed against the Kashmir Speaks page in Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The page is accused of posting online content that allegedly promotes unrest. Authorities claim the post was inflammatory and aimed to disturb public order. The move has sparked concerns about censorship and freedom of expressions. Activists argue that the FIR is an attempt to silence dissenting voices. Civil societies are speaking out against restriction on free speech in Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. They claim the critics of the Modi regime's policies are being silenced. Protests have erupted, demanding an end on the curbs of freedom of expressions. Activists say that restrictions are an attack on democracy. The Ladakh region is gripped by great uncertainty following recent deadly violence. The area remains tense, with continued restrictions in place, and public anger is growing after the clashes. This violence resulted in tragic death of 4 local civilians and left close to 100 people injured. Because of the conflict and high tension, there is now deep doubt over whether the local elections for the Ladakh Autonomous Hill Development Council in Leh can safely proceed.